Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use the Drawings Layout tool. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select Drawings. Construction Drawings. After entering the construction drawing page, click Drawings Layout in the upper left corner. Part 1, Drawings List. The views in the list will be generated based on the content covered in the project. The default includes Sheets and Renovation Sheets, where the Drawings Layout will have one more Sheets folder than the Edit View list, which contains the cover and design general description. Click the Expand All or Collapse All button in the upper right corner. You can expand or collapse the drawing list with one click. Part 2, View Splice. Open the Right View Manager. Find the view that needs to be spliced and drag it directly into the canvas. When dragged into the canvas, you can see that there are aligned guides appearing. It will help you quickly place the right place. Click the scale in the toolbar above the drawing to adjust the perspective as needed. Part 3, Edit Views. Here are 3 ways to enter the Edit View environment. Method 1. Click Edit Views on the left side of the top bar to switch to the Edit View environment. Method 2. Click on the toolbar above, go to Edit Views and return to the Edit View environment. Method 3. Click the Edit View button in the floating window to return to the Edit View environment. Part 4, Download Drawings. Click Download in the upper right corner. Select the drawing you want to download on the left side of the pop-up panel. Set the format of the exported drawing on the right. And click Download after the setting is complete. That's all. Thanks for watching.